This is the Conbrov T33 hidden spy camera with motion detection. It measures 1.18 inches square, records up to full 1080p high definition, and also has night vision, and comes with a 360-degree adjustable magnetic bracket. Let's take it out of the box. There's all sorts of cards, pamphlets, instruction manuals, stuff like that over here. Over here is your USB cable for charging. It's a standard USB to micro USB connector. Included is a microSD USB 2.0 card reader, as you can see there. The camera itself, this is the whole thing, which we'll go over in a moment. The magnetic mount, as you see like that, it's magnetic, and it's double stick tape on this side, so you can stick it to something that you want and mount it. And this is adjustable, as you can see. You can bend it in any direction you need. This is a reset pin in case you ever do need it. There's a reset hole on the side of the camera there. There's two buttons on it. This is the power button here, and this is the motion detection button. On the back is the microSD card slot, USB connector, a couple of LEDs, and that's really it as far as the controls. You pretty much turn it on and it records, or you set it to motion detection and it records like that. If the brightness in the area gets too low, it automatically switches on the infrared, and I'll be giving you a demonstration of that right now. Okay, the camera is now on and recording. I'm going to be chopping this footage up as I see fit, just to give you the best representation of what the camera offers. So here I am. We have 6 CFLs lighting this area, so it's pretty bright, at least over here. And I'm going to go ahead and shut the lights. And now we're in complete darkness. And now you can see there's all sorts of flashing lights and whatnot, and hopefully that'll give you an indication of how well it does for motion. So once again, this was the Conbrov T33 hidden spy camera with motion detection, recording up to full 1080p HD, including the 360-degree magnetic bracket and a bunch of accessories. All around a great deal. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll provide a link in the video description for the manufacturer's website, and from there you can find a link to Amazon if you'd like to purchase it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.